July 25th, the first fig we get here in Seattle, Washington is Desert King figs. Seems a little bit late compared to last year. As we can see, I got a new weight scale. Not yet, Lum. I got a new weight scale. This one averaged at 80.84 kilogram. We got two. It's at 0.96. I'm gonna go by that. Oh wait, come back. Show the camera. Show the camera. See how juicy it is. Okay, Lau. Looks like you're sweating here. Are you hot?
Yeah.
Yeah, chew. You're the sun? Okay. But chew it. When you finish chewing, then you can talk, okay? Otherwise people can't hear you. Now, can you tell me from 1 to 10 how sweet this is?
1 billion.
No, 1 to 10. 1 being not sweet at all, 10 is very sweet, or like 8 is okay sweet, not too sweet. What is it?
11.
Oh, so very sweet. Let's just say very sweet. So 10. How about the size? Is it big or small? Big, small?
This one is ginormous.
Ginormous. So 10 for size, right? How about flavor? How's the flavor? What does it taste like to you?
1,000.
No, 1 to 10 only. You means 1 means you don't like it. Thumbs down. Or 10 is you really love it. Or 5 means it's okay. What do you think? Turn around when I'm talking to you.
Let me think. Which one? 19.
There's no 19. There's only 1 to 10, Lum. So you really like it? 10?
12.
12. 1 to 10, Lum. Well, that's my baby's hand. Oh.
11.
Okay. You really like it. Okay, baby's like. So I guess, okay, baby. You want it? Okay.
I'm trying to cut it.
How's the skin?
Let me.
Skin looks really thin. Oh, the kids. The kids. Got so messy with kids. So, with the Desert King, let's get one right here. It gets really large size. The skin quite thin, quite smooth. It does have a tie-dye. And it does have this typical leaf shape. There are several typical leaves that help identify Desert King. And yeah, it's the best of the season. Every year we wait for it to ripen, and the main crop always drop because we don't have a wasp here to pollinate it. So it doesn't get pollinated, so it just drops on its own. There are a few people who have a little bit of main crop ripening without wasps, or maybe their wasp came, but very little, because in Washington we are not known for wasps, not like California and other parts of the world.
Let me eat it.
Okay. So we have
You eat it. It has a little hole.
It has. Maybe the bird picked it, huh? So he wants me to taste this, yeah?
What does it taste like?
Very sweet.
Very sweet. That means 10.
Yes, you can see sometimes some of them have
11.
some of these
That means
honey
it's 11.
dripping out. When you pick it, you definitely don't want to pick it when there's latex, because that means it's underripe and it doesn't ripen more. Can you pick that up? It doesn't ripen more. It's okay, I'll wash it. Put it over here. It doesn't ripen anymore once you pick it. So I hope you enjoy this short video. See you next time.